Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and things are worse than I thought. I just I got a box of 24 of these AAA batteries about 6 months ago, and I just took 3 brand new ones out of the box, and they're boxed 4 in a group inside of another box. Well, guess what? One of the 3, brand new, I've never used these, has got corrosion. Let me see if I can zoom in and show you how bad it is. That's just the battery sitting in the storage box that it came in. And these are stored in my office, which is air conditioned. So they didn't go through any heat cycle. I got probably 15 left, 20 left. Yeah, I got 4 boxes, 4 sub boxes, 4 each. I got 16. And the question is, do I just throw them all away? That's what I'm thinking about. I can't trust any of them. Again, the expiration date is on this one, 2027. So they're not old. They haven't been sitting around or anything like that. They're not old, but epic failure. And I'm looking to see if there's anything on here. Let me get, I don't have one close by. Hold on one second. Okay, we're going to look in under the microscope, or not microscope, but magnifying glass. Trying to see, there's, all you can see is back band, where it goes. Okay, I don't know if, you probably can't read that, but there's some writing there. It's in a foreign language. That's scary. And I don't know. There's something that says assemble AUXE-U. And then there's a bunch of other writing. I have no idea what language that is, but it's definitely not English. This says, on this side, it says assembled. I'm sorry. Well, you probably can't see it anyway, but I don't have it on the camera. Can I fake it out? That says assembled USA. Now, over here, it says assembled in a different language. I think it says assembled EU. I don't know. Maybe maybe Duracell, or whoever the company is that makes Duracell, is now getting their batteries made outside the United States. And that's why they're failing. So, I'm still in the dilemma. I guess I'll throw all these away. 16 batteries, throw them away. Don't trust them. But still have the question is, what do I get to replace them? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.